Okay, if you want to evaluate the cosecant of 23 pi over 4, first you got to figure out where that is on the circle. So if you remember, you double the denominator to get one lap around the circle. So that would be 8 pi over 4 would be once around, twice around would be 16 pi over 4. So let's see what that gets us. So 16 pi over 4 would be 2 laps around the circle. And 23 minus 16 is 7. So 7 pi over 4, that is in quadrant 4, because this is 1 pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, 4 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, 6 pi over 4. So right here, this angle is 7 pi over 4 on the unit circle. So since we're in quadrant 4, let's see, all students take calculus. Cosecant is going to be negative in quadrant 4. So our reference angle is pi over 4. And that coordinate is root 2 over 2, root 2 over 2. Remember, the cosine is the x and the sine is the y. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, so we would need the reciprocal of 2 over square root of 2. That'd be the reciprocal of the sine. And then since we're in quadrant 4, that's going to be a negative. So now we need to rationalize the denominator. So root 2 over 2, root 2 over 2. That's negative, negative 2 square root of 2 over 2. Those 2's cancel, which leaves us with a negative square root of 2. So the cosecant of 23 pi over 4 is exactly, whoops, that's out of the view, exactly negative square root of 2. So if we wanted to check that in the calculator, first we would want to be in radian mode. There we go. And then cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, so we'll do 1 divided by the sine of 23 pi over 4 and get a decimal, and then we'll compare that decimal to what we got, which was negative square root of 2, and ta-da, it works. Okay, hope that helps.